Hi everyone, back on for our fourth and final card, and it's this one here. Gorgeous holly, absolutely gorgeous, and a beautiful sentiment. Hoping beautiful moments and happy memories surround you at this time of year. I think that just epitomises what should be about. Time for family and friends to get closer. So let's get our supplies out for this card. So we need our holly. We need a large banner sentiment banner. We need the one that I used on the last card, this one here. So I'm going to actually just peel this off and add it just now, because a few of them have stuck and I need to get rid of them. So let me just pop them out. It was because I didn't have it lined up exactly. Let me just see if I can do it this way, because that would be much easier, like. Just the one to come out, that's fine. Right, and we are going along this line here. So I'm just going to try and centre it as best I can, like that. Wonderful. And I'll just get rid of the wee gold accents off my hands, because they aren't very attractive. Right, so that's that part down. Next up, we add this over, and it's got a thin border there. And I'm putting this down straight with Tombow. And I've added quite a lot of glue, you don't really need that much. Right, let me think, it's this way. So I'm going to line it up with my gold as my guide. Okay. And then coming down, it's not the full length, so I'm just trying to position it where it looks right. That's fine. So I'm just pressing on that down. Lovely. Then we have got our banner, and the sentiment I need is, let me just clean this sentiment off first. I think I kept that sentiment out actually, because I think I've already used it. No, I haven't. It was Christmas wishes when I used. So let me just grab that sentiment out. Like that. And straighten it on my block, because that would help. That's fine. Bring in my VersaFine. Oops. Just give another wee ink up. Right. And I'll just tilt you down a wee bit so you can see this. And I'm hoping this is straight. Looks straight, but you could never tell. Perfect. I'm just cleaning my stamp. I like to get it clean as soon as I've done something so that it doesn't stain. Right, so that is going to go up in a dimensional. That's going up here. I'm going to put it up a wee bit because I don't want to cover as much of that holly on the sample. it's down a bit further, but it's covering so much of the holly, so I'm going to put it up a wee bit because that holly is beautiful. So I'm going to flip it over and add a few of these on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 in the centre. And we've got 1. I actually need to do a new one of this because I'm starting to get rather filled up. Suppose you could probably unpick some of them, but that's a bit of a hassle. So, right, so I'm putting it up there so I can see a lot more. Right, so that's that on. Then we have got 1, 2, 3 green. So I need to pull the green out again. Wherever we've gone to. Where are you, Mr. Green? You're in this pack somewhere because I put you in here. Can't seem to find them. That's annoying. Oops, came out with something else. Never mind, I'll put them away in a minute. Let me just get this card finished first. Right, so we've got 1 on the leaf there. We have got 1 on this leaf here. And then the other one is over here. And that's it done. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope that the 4 cards that we made in total are inspiring and they entice you to purchase this gorgeous kit. You get 20 cards made from this kit for, I'm sure it's £19. So that's like £1 a card, and they are luxurious cards. So if you're thinking about special family members, colleagues, friends, these are ideal and they're not difficult. Anyone can put them together. Anyone. So I hope you do have a wee think about it. Thanks for watching. Take care and speak soon. Bye.